All right, listen here, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're about to break your brain. That's what you came here for. We have something pretty cool sitting right there. This is an actual invisibility shield. Invisibility shield. Yeah, like the science fiction type of thing. It's actually not the craziest technology. It's just a kind of a light bending film that you can place anywhere, and depending on the scenario, you can pretty much completely obscure whatever happens to be behind it. Now, I knew this technology existed, but I didn't realize you could actually buy it, and it's really not even that expensive. So this company right here is now selling it. You can buy one of these for yourself, hide from your pals, do all your pranking, do all your pranks and gags, do your just for laughs.
Easter. Think about Easter, man. You could dominate Easter.
What are you gonna do? You gonna put some eggs behind there, some Easter eggs for the old hunt?
Hide those eggs.
All right, this has a pretty epic peel on it. I'm going backside. Oh boy. The peel, it's almost like you gotta peel it before you even rig it. Epic peel. You know what this material kind of reminds me of is, you know the scratchy, when you have the hologram type collectible card and you're like, you feel like a DJ, you're scratching it, you're like, that's not what's happening here though. What's happening here, we're on the hunt for invisibility, and actually we're gonna use this thing in a really interesting way.
Whoa!
Bo is gonna try to fool me completely, hide in plain sight.
Wait.
Whoa!
He's gonna shoot a variety of clips using nothing but the invisibility shield to obscure himself. I will then watch these clips back along with you, and we will attempt to find Where's Waldo, otherwise known as Mo. And so I'll be like, Ice, you're right there. I might be wrong. He can verify, he can confirm, or he can deny. So we'll just see how effective this thing actually is. Am I gone? Before I get into this video and attempt to spot them, I want to talk a little bit about this technology. This product is currently on Kickstarter, and the company has packaged together like a commercial product that you can buy. This one features high resolution invisibility, large enough to hide multiple people. That's the full size version, the one we have here. It's also freestanding and portable. Of course, there's no power source required. It's 2.3 inches thick, less than 9 pounds, and it is made from fully recyclable marine grade materials. Now, the big unit is 3'1" by 2'1", and that's 299 British pounds. The small invisibility shield, which is 12 by 8, that's a little bit more affordable at 49 British pounds. If you want to buy more than one, you can catch certain deals. It's also important to note that this is a Kickstarter. So if you've never participated in one before, this is the idea that you're going to be one of the early purchasers of the item, and they'll ship it to you when it's ready. Now, it is important to note that at the moment, this project is on Kickstarter. And of course, just like any Kickstarter, there's always risks and challenges with producing a new product and starting a new company. So they have those risks and challenges outlined on the Kickstarter. I recommend you read those before you place an order. Now, as far as the technology is concerned, each shield uses a precision-engineered lens array to direct much of the light reflected from the subject away from the observer, sending it sideways across the face of the shield to the left and to the right. Because the lenses in this array are vertically oriented, the vertically oriented strip of light reflected by the standing or crouching subject quickly becomes very diffuse when spread out horizontally on passing through the back of the shield. Now, if you're interested in the details and technology used in these sheets, these invisibility shields, then I recommend reading the entirety of the Kickstarter page because there's even more that's listed over there. All right, so on to the fun part. Somewhere in the frame is a person hiding behind the invisibility shield. I'm gonna kick it off with the first scenario here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, you showed it to me fast in order to give me an extra challenge. So I've definitely got to rewind it. I'm going to be more prepped now that I know how fast this. I thought I wasn't prepared for the speed. I paused it. Is that fair? Oh, I see it now. Okay, it's in front of the window here. But you got to look for it, man. It's right here. The shield. Or the person behind it. I mean, I wouldn't think it was a person. Wow, Jack! Like, I would definitely need more time to spot it, and I would need to know I was looking for it.
Wow, yeah, that one's good.
Very unusual type of setting, but who knows how you might want to use this thing for magic tricks, pranks, and such, or possibly for artistic purposes. I'm going to move on to the next one now. There's Jack. We've discovered Jack. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to try doing the right amount of speed. I had to pause it. I'm just pausing it to defeat your speed factor. You know that?
Okay.
It's up top. Yeah, it's up top. It's on the roof of the Sprinter. Well, that means Jack's crouching on top of there. Oh, van life, van life. Next one. Oh, this is the easiest one by far. How dare you guys do this to me?
Which one was it?
It's just in front of a garage door. Come on, guys. This is not anywhere near the same caliber as the last ones that you did. Oh, this one got me. This one would get me. You have to know what you're looking for. You have to know you're looking for the shield. It's under the desk. You have to know that you're looking for the shield. Outdoor. Immediately spotted it. Immediately spotted the outdoor one. Oh! I won. Some of them were really good. Probably the first one is still the best. Definitely the first one is still the best. When it's up against like glass or something, which already has weird properties, it just disappears. Now, this is a scenario, like I said, where I'm looking for it actively, and I'm kind of right up against it using like pretty high quality camera equipment to capture the frames. But you can imagine in certain environments, covert type of operations at far distances, where these type of things will be, where this would be very difficult to pick up. And even if you did pick it up, you wouldn't like necessarily assume person. You might assume, I don't know, a texture or a window or something. It's definitely cool technology. It's one of those things where, like in science fiction, the idea of an invisibility shield, and it's kind of amazing to me that this technology is as simple as it actually is when you hold it. They mention you don't need to plug it in. There's no electronic aspect to it. It's just simply a variety of lenses at work and the shifting and shaping of light that's capable of achieving this. And it's actually kind of amazing that I've never even seen it in action before until now. So the shields perform at their absolute best against uniform backgrounds such as foliage, grass, rendered walls, sand, sky, and asphalt. Backgrounds with defined horizontal lines work really well too, and these can be natural features such as the horizon or man-made features like walls. Yeah, you can see some of the images on their Kickstarter are pretty amazing to see, like the ocean, the shore, or a sunset or something, or stairs are pretty cool. They have the estimated delivery December 2022 in order to give them a little bit more leeway. But this is the thing with Kickstarters. You have to understand you're scaling up production and things like that. So it's a Kickstarter. That's it. I mean, what else can you say about it? Well, I don't know. Maybe they did it. Maybe it is the real invisibility shield for all to surprise your friends and to avoid your enemies. That's their tagline up top.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. Could you take it to like a paintball tournament or something? I don't know. Maybe you don't want to get paint all over it, but. Today's sponsor is NordVPN. You can protect yourself online while also unlocking your favorite content from a variety of regions. And there's even some brand new threat protection, which takes your privacy and security to another level through a toggle on the desktop application. You can use NordVPN across a wide variety of devices, including Android, iOS. You can use it on your Mac or PC inside of your browser. It's incredibly easy to use. There's a variety of servers to choose from. So if you need to be placed somewhere else in order to unlock content, as I previously mentioned, you can be certain that you'll find a server that's suitable for you in a region that's suitable for you. The other thing to mention is that it's a premium service. So if you're trying to watch video, for example, you're going to have plenty of speed in order to be able to stream all of your high resolution content. Thank you very much to NordVPN for sponsoring this episode, and check the links in the description to get started.